Property management is all about customer service, and to ensure tenant satisfaction, surveys are your best tool. Welcome back, Loopers. I'm your host, Andrew Chung. In this video, we're diving into the world of resident satisfaction surveys. We'll guide you through everything you need to know about these surveys, the best practices for implementing them, and how property management software can help. Resident satisfaction surveys are crucial for understanding tenant needs, improving property management, and increasing tenant retention rates. By conducting an annual survey, property managers can stay up to date with tenant expectations and make necessary improvements, ultimately leading to happier tenants and longer lease renewals. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts of creating the perfect survey. Every property is unique. Your survey should reflect your property's needs. But here's a general guide. First up, make your survey's objectives clear. Know why you're conducting it. This helps focus on the most essential aspects of tenant experience. Ask relevant questions. Cover aspects like overall property condition, the maintenance request system, rent collection methods, community features, and staff interactions. Your platform matters. Online surveys are not only efficient but also convenient for tenants. Platforms offer customization, making tailoring easy. And folks, please keep it brief. Tenants are more likely to complete concise and clear surveys. And timing is everything. We recommend at least once a year. Avoid busy periods, such as not during busy move-in or move-out periods, and give tenants ample time. Also, respect their privacy. Anonymous responses lead to honest feedback. Plus, offer incentives. It can be rent discounts, gift cards, or even entries into a raffle. Curious about which questions to include? We've got you covered. Here are some questions you can ask. How satisfied are you with the home maintenance services? Rate the staff's ability to resolve your requests. Which amenities do you enjoy the most? Including questions about staff friendliness, responsiveness, and overall customer service can help property managers identify areas for improvement in staff interactions. After collecting responses, it's time to act. Analyze data, identify common issues, prioritize improvements, and always communicate with tenants. And here are some frequently asked questions. Number 1. What are the 3 assessments of customer satisfaction? They are the customer satisfaction score, customer effort score, and net promoter score. Question number 2. What are 3 open-ended questions to establish customer needs? They include asking about their expectations from the property and services provided, the challenges they face while living in the property, and their suggestions for improvement. And question number 3. To whom should you send resident satisfaction surveys? Resident satisfaction surveys should be sent to all current tenants to gather a comprehensive understanding of their experiences and satisfaction levels. On that note, DoorLoop's property management software can help you gauge and improve tenant satisfaction. From communication to data analysis, streamline every step. Schedule your free demo today and discover everything that DoorLoop has to offer. Click on the link in the description below. And don't forget to download our resident satisfaction survey template. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can get this information to more real estate professionals. If you want to join a community with other real estate professionals, join our exclusive Facebook community with the link in the description. And to learn more about property management tips, click this playlist here. We'll see you there.